Hi, welcome back. So in the previous lecture we have drawn this canvas and we have drawn this circle on this canvas. So in this lecture what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill this circle with a color and then I'll try to move this circle from one point from here to here or here. So we'll try to move this circle. We will be creating an animation so that this circle will be moving from one point to another. So let's see. We'll go back to the JavaScript file where we have written this, and to first thing we will be adding the color. So to add color we need to get the context dot fill style. Okay, so context dot fill style, with this we can fill this circle with a color. So here I'll give the color 000 FF. And then once you give the color specification here, the next thing we'll need to ask the context to fill. So now we have given the style to fill. Here we are giving the style color to fill, and here we'll ask the context to fill this color into the circle. So let's run this. See here, now our circle is having a blue color. So in this way we can add a color. So we need to simply add context.fill style, and we need to give the hex code for the color, and then we need to call the context.fill function to fill that color into the circle. So the next thing what I want to do, I want to move this circle from this point to this point or this way. So what I want to do, I want to shift the x-axis and y-axis so that we will be seeing our circle in a moving direction. It will be moving. So what I do, I'll be changing the x and y axis, x and y coordinates. So for that what I do, first thing I need to do is I need to have the initial x as something. Suppose I'll give 0, and I'll have an initial final x as 200. Okay, so what I want to do here, I want to move from x as 0 to x 200. So I want to move on the x-axis. Okay, so y will be the constant. So to do that, what I need to do, see here I have decided, I have assigned initial x 0 and final x 200. What I do next, here I'll be writing a simple logic here. I'll be writing a if statement, and I'll be giving initial x less than final x. So what I'm telling this here, if initial x is less than final x, means if x is less than this final x 200, I want to keep moving. I want to keep moving with the x-axis. So what I do, give initial x equal to initial x plus 1. Okay, so what I'm doing, till it is less than this final x, what I'm doing, I'm incrementing the x-axis, x coordinate. So it will be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 200. So okay, and here what I do, I'll make it 50. Initial x is 50. Okay, and then what I do, I will be passing this initial x to this one, initial. Okay, so now instead of hard coding the value, I am giving the initial x here. So first it will be 50, then 51, 52, all those things. Next thing, since we are creating a animation and it will be moving, so we need to call this function request animation frame function, and we need to pass this function draw circle to this, so that we will be seeing a smooth animation. Okay, so now we are done with this. So next thing we need to test it. So let's see here, now our circle is moving from one point to another point. See here, starting from here, and it is going y-axis is same, only x is changing. Okay, y coordinate is same, x coordinate is changing. Okay, so see here what we are seeing a circle is being moved from here to here, but we are seeing this drawn as a cylinder to clear this, what we need to do, we need to call a simple function context dot, it's called clear rect, and what we need to do, we need to keep clearing the canvas 0 0 comma x-axis and y-axis we will be clearing, and 300 comma 300 since our canvas is having width and height at 300. So now we will be clearing each time we will draw the circle, so that we will be seeing the clear transition of a circle. So next thing, see here, now our circle is moving and it is not drawing like a cylinder. So see here, now our circle is moving from one point to another point. So this way we can create a animation using X. So next thing what I can do, I can put this initial X in place of Y coordinate and it will be moving, Y coordinate will be also moving. So let's see now it is moving, X and Y both are changing, X starting from here, Y, and then it is coming here. So now it is moving, both the coordinates are moving, X and Y both are moving. So in this way we can create simple animations using canvas. So in the next lecture we will be doing some more animation with the circle. We will be drawing more circles and we will be seeing what animation we can add. See you in the next lecture.